To love you, to be together. To be together.
Actually, since day one naman, nag-start yung kusina kahit nung 5 pa lang kami. 2 pa lang yung employees namin nun. Actually, 3 employees nun. Lahat naman yung tinuturing ko kapamilya.
Quiet confidence and trusting every step. And we know that our faith will get us through. It's so obvious, forever calling us, and this time we won't wait and wonder anymore. When the morning breaks, we won't hesitate.
Hindi ko sila tinuring na as empleyado or mga sinusweldoan mo lang kasi kailangan mo sa negosyo. So lagi ang turing ko sa mga yan, parang kapatid, pamilya.
Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here.
Tingin ko dyan, dapat muna yung yung pangalagaan mo sila. Para dumami yung team ng kusina, kailangan mangarap din ako. Yung team ng kusina, kami ng asawa ko, napalaguin talaga.
And it makes us sure we're never letting go. It's so obvious.
Lahat ng thank you na sabi ko na sa kanilang dalawa. Ngayon naman, gusto ko naman sabihin is sorry. Sorry kung naging